You need to know how to put LUTs on your footage in Davinci Resolve? This episode of Fast Fridays is going to teach you exactly that. So, let's not waste any time. Let's get into this. In true Fast Fridays spirit, our clip is already in the timeline, pre-stabilized, pre-audio removed, you know. What we're going to do to add a LUT to this footage is pop on over into our color page, open up the LUTs menu. If you come up here to your top left area, you'll see Gallery, LUTs, Media Pool, and Timeline. We need LUTs to be open. Now we have all of our LUTs, and we have a Favorites menu as well. You can add certain LUTs to your favorites so you can find them faster. If we drop this menu down, we have a whole bunch of different LUTs. So you can use any of these on any piece of footage. So I have my user-made LUTs here in this folder called user-made LUTs, and if we go ahead and double-click on any one of these, that LUT will be applied to the footage. So this is what the footage looks like with the LUT, and then if we reset the node grade, this is what it looks like without the LUT. It's a pretty significant difference between that and this, and all it takes is a quick double click on a LUT that has been prepared. So now that you know how to put LUTs on your footage, how do you actually make a LUT? It's actually much easier than you probably think, so we'll go ahead and make a couple of quick adjustments here. We'll warm up the gamma, which represents our mid-tone. We're going to decrease that contrast a little bit, just because we're not trying to make anything that looks good. And then we'll bring in some blues in the offset, but we'll warm that gamma up a little bit more so our mid-tones keep that nice warm color. And then we'll go ahead and right-click on our footage, our clip here, and then we'll click Generate 3D LUT 65 point cube, and then you navigate to wherever you're keeping them. Then we're going to go ahead and name this thing and then press save, and it will show up right away right in here in alphabetical order. So we have our untitled LUT right here, which means that if we reset our node grade so we're back to normal and then we double click on this, we will have the exact same color grade that we just added to our footage applied to our footage. Now that you know how to both make and use LUTs, if you want a few to get started with, I have some for sale on my Etsy store, which is linked in the description down below. So if you want to buy those, it'll help out the channel, it'll help me out, and you'll have some LUTs to start with. I've got 5 of them for sale for $1. So go down there, check that out, and I will see you on Thursday.